Okay. Good morning. Hi, I'm Nicola, and for me it's a great pleasure host my friends Carolina and Giovanni in this beautiful place, Punta Licosa, the best place of Cilento region, but for me of the all the world. And what's happened now? Now happened that for me is a great pleasure make for my guest, for you, a traditional recipe of Cilento, and in particular for me it's the queen. I call the queen of Mediterranean diet. I know what is Mediterranean diet. Mediterranean diet is a lifestyle, but with a simple food and good food. So I prepared the tomato and now this bread. This bread is a particular bread that in the past the people not can have the fresh bread, and so in any family have an heaven and realize this dry bread and bread cooked twice, so not have water inside. It's very strong.
Dry.
Try. It's impossible eat.
Wow.
But for me, this specialty represented the Cilento because it's true that it's the queen of Mediterranean diet, but for me represented the Cilento because one person when arrive in Cilento maybe not know the Cilento, so can think, but maybe not will be a good place, a good region, similar to this bread that is strong, is hard, not is good to eat, but one time that this bread, but with water, in the same experience when the guests started to discover the Cilento, and so started to change their opinion about the Cilento. And so what's happened? That this bread started to take the flavors of the tomato. Is mixed, and this is an ancient breakfast of the farmers of the Cilento people, because they go to work early morning, and when is the time for breakfast, can go to the bar for a breakfast or cappuccino and bring with them bread, tomato and olive oil. So is a fast recipe for me, simple, easy and good. And good because now the bread take the flavors, the juice of the tomato, and now I go to add what that I call the Cilento diesel, extra virgin olive oil, harvest olives in the winter in my countryside, and for me it's a pleasure to share with you.
This is the oil I always tell people about. This is a good oil, high polyphenol,
Yes,
natural, pressed when the harvest comes in.
and so when the guests visit, discover the Cilento, change their opinion. How's this bread that before it was a hard bread,
Yes.
and now is mixed, change the color.
Right.
You see which kind of color,
It's beautiful.
and so the extraordinary thing that three simple ingredients: bread, tomato, and olive oil. Simple, but together it's an explosion of the experience and the emotion. This is the Mediterranean diet, the base, the queen. But today, for you, I made an exception, a surprise for you. And so I had to the acqua sale. This is Mary Poppins.
Oh!
Mozzarella cheese. We are in the region of
Yes, of course.
buffalo milk.
Mozzarella di bufalo.
And so Nicola has an Picasso realized their opera for Giovanni and Carolina. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the acqua sale. Acqua sale is the queen of Mediterranean diet. It's called acqua sale because the fishermen, when travel, use not the water, the clean water, but use for butter the bread, the water of the sea.
Okay.
And so acqua sale,
Well,
aqua and
see.
salt. I not add the salt because the bread has the natural salt inside.
Yes,
And
okay.
in particular for not cover the flavor of the olive oil, tomato and bread.
See.
Okay?